1. The student didn't know how to solve the problem. 2. He spent a lot of time studying for examination. 3. Will you notify the headquarters about the accident? 4. Mr. Adam was rejected from pilot training. 5. The lieutenant demonstrates all the characteristics of a good leader. 6. The reading on the tape was distorted. 7. David finished up all the sandwiches. 8. Tom was tired last night. He turned in at 8 p.m. 9. There are other components beside those mentioned. 10. Do you think things will ever get back to normal? 11. Never resist a police officer. You will get into trouble. 12. What do you call the degree of hotness and coldness measured by a scale? 13. Let's take in a movie tonight. 14. A body in motion might be supported by air. 15. We tightened the band around the radiator hose so the water would not leak. 16. When are you due for a checkup? 17. Larry needs a water pump. What did he want to do with it? 18. The company had to go through a lot of red tape to get its plans approved. 19. Running around this military installation is prohibited. 20. Which one of the following sentences is incorrect? 21. John couldn't decide whether to go by plane or by car. He kept vacillating. 22. If we all chip in $1 apiece, we will be able to buy a nice gift. 23. Tom is a loony person. 24. There was a surge of pressure in this area. 25. He didn't have the knack to move this box. 26. Who is the author of this book? 27. Our friend has a compact. 28. That's a very complex aircraft. 29. The principal impediment overturning those laws is the power of the president. 30. His uniform has a dark blue lining. 31. Many kitchens are equipped with electronics. 32. The euphoria created by the political convention didn't last long. 33. Why does John have goosebumps? 34. Joan inflated the rubber boat with air. 35. The vision was blurry due to the rain. 36. The officer read his soldiers the riot act for behaving badly. 37. The jury found the criminal innocent. 38. The criminal still at large. 39. The criminal still behind bars. 40. He is leaving her for good. 41. What do you usually do for recreation? 42. I like the breeze in the suburbs. 43. It was drizzling yesterday. 44. This material is inflammable. 45. If you study hard, you'll hit dirt. 46. It was a fatal accident. 47. The clock is attached to the wall. 48. The humidity is high. 49. Driving at night can be hazardous. 50. I frequently go to the movies. 51. I ran into an old friend yesterday. 52. I see my friend John once in a blue moon. 53. That was all water under the bridge. 54. You have to burn the midnight oil if you want to pass your tests. 55. My boss gave me a wild goose mission to chase. 56. It's time to hoist the flag. 57. I don't like to quarrel and defy my parents. 58. I'm very perplexed about tomorrow's test. 59. John likes to boast a lot. 60. He is a tightwad. 61. My brother is going to run for mayor next year. 62. Mr. Smith is a lumberjack. 63. He has acne all over his face. 64. My hand usually perspire in difficult situations. 65. My brother is not trustworthy. 66. I will be in charge this week because my boss is sick.